To buy a stock on Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing personal and financial information. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section of the website or app, where you can enter the stock symbol or company name of the stock you wish to purchase. Next, enter the number of shares you want to buy and select the order type, which can be a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute the trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specified price. Choose the order type that best suits your investment goals and risk tolerance. After selecting the order type, review the order details to ensure everything is correct. Check the stock symbol, number of shares, and order type. Also, review the estimated cost of the trade, including any fees or commissions. Fidelity offers commission-free trades for many stocks, but some may still have fees. Once you have reviewed the order details, submit the order. Fidelity will then execute the trade and provide you with a confirmation. You can view your trade history and account balance online or through the mobile app. It is essential to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance before buying a stock. It is also important to do your research on the company and its financials before making a trade. Fidelity provides a range of research tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. In addition to buying individual stocks, Fidelity also offers a range of other investment products, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and options. These products can provide diversification and help you achieve your long-term investment goals. By following these steps and doing your research, you can buy a stock on Fidelity and start building a diversified investment portfolio. Remember to always review your order details carefully and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making a trade.